Go Irish. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 in the St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway. Now, St. Vincent St. Mary's was LeBron's high school. Every year there's been at least one colorway, it seems, whether it be on his main line or his Zoom Soldier line, of a St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway, just I guess to pay tribute to the school that raised him, as well as the fact that, you know, it's just kind of like school spirit. And towards the later years, there's been Christ the King high school PEs as well. But we're not here to talk about Christ the King. We're here to talk about St. Vincent St. Mary's. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 box. So it's got the Soldier 12 in a stenciled graphic, as well as LeBron James King James logo, and the Nike swoosh on the side panel, and LeBron James word logo on the back. And the color code is white and multicolor. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a white battle knit upper. Now, battle knit is the standard material for the LeBron 15. And again, it still shocks me that they use basically the brand new fly knit base material on a takedown model. The toe is a patent leather toe. And if you've seen some of my videos before, you know that I'm not a fan of patent leather unless it is a small mudguard. So a mudguard works just fine if it's patent leather, but if it's an all patent leather shoe, I just can't deal with it. But on this shoe, you have the patent leather toe, and I'm fine with this patent leather toe. This shoe has a laceless design with a white, green, and gold Nike swoosh on the strap, as well as the Fighting Irish word logo. Now, for the LeBron Zoom Soldier 12, you have different branding on the tongue tab for every colorway. So the Hazel Rush colorway had a set of stars to coincide with the militaristic colorway of the shoe. And for this shoe, it has the Irish word mark. On the inside of the straps, you have the LeBron James crown logo. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. You can barely see it. But yeah, the LeBron James crown logo is on the inside of the strap. And you have the white pull tab. Moving towards the heel, you have the Velcro straps, as well as the white pull tab, as well as the gold vintage LeBron 23 logo for the back tab. So on the Hazel Rush Strive for Greatness pair, you had the 2-3 on the Velcro. For this colorway, you have, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's the LeBron James Dunkman. Also, this back tab is leather, and you know, for a ball shoe, this is pretty quality leather. Moving towards the medial now, you have the majority of the battle knit upper, as well as the white strap. On the strap, and this is very forward thinking by Nike. I didn't discover this. The first place I saw it was on Nike LeBron Net or NikeLeBron.net, so shout out to them. On the medial strap, you have this kind of raised portion for the strap. And what this actually is used for is for you to slide the strap in. So when you're running or you're playing ball, instead of running into the strap and having the whole shoe come apart, you can now have it completely locked down, and if it does come apart, you can just strap it down instead of having to like readjust the straps and everything. It's just fine, and it's not gonna come up. Lastly, you got a white and green speckled midsole with the Zoom branding on the heel, and you have a green outsole with the King James logo on the forefoot and the Nike swoosh on the heel. I've always been a fan of St. Vincent St. Mary's colorways, which is funny because I can't stand anything Celtics, maybe because I'm a New Yorker, but that's neither here nor there. But the color combination has always been a clean colorway, and usually the St. Vincent St. Mary colorways are PEs, so when we actually do get a pair every so often, it's always nice to see. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Zoom Soldier 12, St. Vincent St. Mary's, hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 5th for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.